Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 C300 4MATIC. This one's a lunar blue metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 17-inch split 5-spoke alloy wheels. A silk beige MB text interior with a dark brown linden wood trim. Panorama sunroof, rear spoiler, C300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, multimedia package with navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 29,622 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.